Okay, so okay, I'm gonna speak English and you're gonna speak Zulu.
Okay.
Yeah, let us see who is fluent.
Oh, mina ngikhuluma isiZulu mina.
Yeah, you speak Zulu and you stick to that.
Oh,
And,
ngikufundisa yini isiZulu noma ngenze njani?
Okay, you're gonna teach me Zulu English, and I'm gonna teach you Zulu.
Oh.
So if yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Cats.
No, not now. Okay, let's start. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, as I was saying, what now? Why are you laughing? What's so funny? What words now? Are you crazy?
Hayi lutho mfethu.
Why are you laughing now?
Mina mfethu mongangisiza nje ungifundisa isiZulu. Yabo, mina ngizokufundisa isingisi.
Yes, you're still on the right track. So, am I on the right track?
Eh?
Am I on the right track? Don't say yeah, say come again. Come again.
Ngiphinde ngibuye.
No.
Ngikhona nje manje ukuthi mina ngithi come again one manje ngiphinde ngibuye yaphi?
That's more like I'm going to come. Why are you guys saying that?
Cha. You are going to come. Shuthi wena uyahamba uyabo uthi.
Yeah, you always say that. You guys you always say I'm going to come.
Washaya isingisi mfana wami. Hayi kuyasho ukuthi hayi isandla sami.
Yeah, you taught me right.
Hayi isandla sami lesi.
Yeah, you taught me right.
Isikole sami lesi.
Yeah. And your Zulu too is on point.
Phela mina ngasincele ebeleni.
No, you drank isiZulu.
Mina ngaphuza isiZulu angangasincini. Yabona. Ngithi ngiyancoma ukuthi isingisi sakho sinze mbuka manje.
Okay, I'm sorry. Apologies.
Ima yabo mina ke. Isingisi ngisikhuluma emsebenzini kuphela. Manje sengizophinde ngisikhulume nawe futhi ngeke baba. Siyajulukisana isingisi.
You're on duty. You're teaching me Zulu. You're teaching me how to speak English.
Ngeke ngizogcina sengiluma ulimi phela manje. Hawu. Siseyini isingisi wena?
Why would you do that?
Hey baba ngeke ngathi usungiphatha ngekhanda manje. Isingisi siyangena siyaphuma dololo.
I can see. Okay. Is it possible that when you are fluent in Zulu, they say you exhale it through your nose?
Usukhuluma ngama-X
you
manje.
Take it out through your nose.
Khona i-X ephuma ngekhala manje.
Like okay, when we speak English fluently, they say we take it out through our nose. We take it out, we exhale it.
Amafinyela.
No, finyila is like they call it abelungu.
Belungu. Amafinyela kuthiwa belungu.
Not in that way, not in a bad way. I mean like when you have, you know, they say.
That's what you call imbenge yomile.
What's imbenge now? What's that? Imbenge yomile.
It's imbenge.
What's that? Imbenge
yomile.
Yemile.
Yeah. Kanti unjani wena?
Imbenge.
Yeah, uyangakhona inona. It's
imile. Imbenge imile.
Yakho mbenge emile cha. Iyomile.
Emile.
Yangehlula phela manje ngeke. Hawu.
Imbenge yomile.
Wena thambisa ulimi. Yes.
Imbenge yomile.
Yes.
It works.
Nazo. Wo phela.
Imbenge yomile. So how was my English?
No, hayi uzamile kodwa mina ngifundisa isiZulu, isingisi le nto uzofundisa mina ngoba mina ngikwazi ukusikhuluma isingisi. Yabo leyo.
Okay, say chatham
Chateau Ghetto.
Chatham ghetto.
Yes.
What's that word again? The one I said fluently.
Yiphi yona?
The one I said 1 hour ago.
Sengizokhumbula into ya 1 hour man.
So you forget everything.
Yibo angizizwe ukuzokhumbula indaba zakho mina. Buka sazi isiZulu manje?
No, I know only that. Ufundela ukukhohlwa.
Ufundela ukukhohlwa yazi uthi yakudelela wena.
Ufundela ukukhohlwa.
Hey, ungayisukuli imamba isemgodini yazi?
Imamba.
Ungayisukeli.
I know black mamba. I don't know white mamba.
Hayi sho uzoyazi ke namhlanje
White mamba.
Hayi uzoyazi ke namhlanje.
So we have a white mamba now. No, let's call it a what?
A day.
It's night now. You can't be calling it a day. Let's call it a rap.
Hayi boy rap ile nto esidla lapha McDonald's.
Okay, let's call it that. It's fine.
So ibizwa ke McDonald's usilolu so.
You don't like raps? I mean like this rap. Let's
It's a rap. What's
Let's call it a screw shit.